So this is what you guys gonna expect. Tune in Tokyo. Pretty cool stickers. Keychain, Street Legend, and the turbo. The little turbo is pretty cool. It makes the sound when you blow it through here. It will make the sound. Listen. Oh, pretty cool. So it comes with a backpack. And the racing seat belts. That's pretty cool though. That's sick. It's pretty cool because I already have the wallet. The bright wallet. So pretty cool. So it comes with this one right here. Pretty nice hoodie. This one, Anti-Stock Car Club. Pretty cool too. Legends never die. Pretty cool. I like this one too. I don't know, the black with the pink and the aqua color. Pretty cool. This is one of my favorites too. Nice. Pretty cool designs. Love this color. Tune in Tokyo. And this is my favorite. One of my favorite too. Legend. That's Godzilla right there. Pretty cool. So it comes with a hat. Pretty nice. Yeah. Pretty cool. Highly recommend it. There you go, guys. This is what, basically this is what you're gonna get on a mystery box. Mystery box from Tune in Tokyo. Highly recommend it. I'm pretty happy. I mean, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and the stickers. Pretty cool. So you know what to do, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. So every time that I upload a video, you guys get notified. Take it easy.